the board which is going to Angoda, Margao. If you take a left, which goes to Karwar. This area connects you to Karwar. These are highways. So guys, I'm going to take you to the fish where they are selling some fresh fish. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
This is fresh prawns.
Small prawns.
And how much is this?
600, 500, 400.
Okay. And you have fish also. What's your name?
Amraj.
Amraj. And which shop is this?
Shop is Amraj Bhandari.
Okay, guys, those who are watching this video in Kankona, you can come and pick up some good fresh fish and prawns here from Mr. Bhandari's shop. And I think I could see some very nice pomfret. This is pomfret, right?
Yeah, black pomfret.
Black pomfret. And you have the kingfish?
No.
You don't have kingfish. Oh, look at that. Lovely size. And how much is pomfret?
Pomfret 1500.
1500. And how many you get in that?
4 piece.
4 pieces. Oh, great. Okay, thank you guys. I'll come and pick up when I'm going to do some cooking. I came to Goa to enjoy the weather. For 10 days I'm here. Thank you. So these guys are selling plastic, a lot of plastic sheets. And here you have the railway bridge. So you have a lot of activities here. You have the people selling fish, lady selling fish on the way. This is Kanukana under bridge. So you have a lot of people selling fish in the morning. Fresh fish catch from the sea. So guys, this is some of the areas in and around Palolem, and then you have flavors, and you have this is known as Saldi Crystal. It's a restaurant over here. Have a lot of multi-parking. Quite busy in the morning. I think with tourists now coming to Goa, I think it should be busy in the next couple of days. And then this is the Palolem beach, Kanukana, which they have a hello. Hi. And this is, a small restaurants in the morning where they're all getting ready for business. And you have Sumaya Kali House. Then you have the portico. So this is the Palolem road, and you keep going inside. You have a lot of shacks, and here you have the thalis. So yeah, so basically, so we have a lot of people coming and visiting in the afternoon. So I guess maybe in around end of the month, it should be like first week of September, where you have a lot of people coming in, a lot of foreigners arriving in, and then you have a lot of these shops as well here. So running around, and you can see around me. These are all the shops where, you know, on the way. They're all opening up for business. Yeah, and the weather is quite good here in the afternoon. Now it's just about 2 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, 11:30. Yeah, pretty nice weather out. I could feel the humidity. The humidity is there. I could see it. Could be around just about 20% of the Goan weather of humidity here. So, and you have other places as well coming, and a lot of tattoo showrooms and other places where you could see. So I guess, and then I must show you this coconut tree garden. This is the Palolem Youth Club, and this is entire garden area. How it is towards the beach. So guys, you have some shops around here, a lot of shopping which you can do. You have the money, so guys are coming from Palolem. This is on the way where you can do a lot of shopping. Yeah, so this is a nice place here. You could see some tourists coming in around, arriving in Goa. There's still a lot of shops yet to be opened yet, and I guess maybe in a few days time from now it's a bit quiet here in Palolem. So this is entrance to Palolem. Just take you to the left. We are going in to, this is the Palolem village. So if you go straight is Palolem village, and if you turn left is the Palolem beach. And here you have the auto rickshaw stands, and this is the beach road. This is the beach road, and you have all the shops coming up. They're all getting ready for the season now. They're all getting ready for the season. So, these are all the car parking areas. And these are all the shops where you can purchase a lot of handicrafts from here, uniform and jewelry. We have different types of jewelry here. Then jewelry yet to open. And then you have other jewelry as well, Meena art, bamboo tattoo. Here you have the different type of. This is Canvas restaurant. You have breakfast here in the morning. So there's a lot of. This is Bela. We are yet to open. These are the shops right around. Hello, hi, how are you? Good afternoon. These are all the shops here for shopping around. And hello, how are you? How is it being? How is business? Because of the rain. Maybe next month, yeah. Hopefully. Yes. Okay. So these are all the shops over here. This is a nice beach stuff. You get a lot of footwear, nice footwear. They have good collection over here. So they are just opening in the morning. It's about 11:30. You see all the hats. This is at Palolem Street, the main beach road. So, and these are all the car parking over here. So, this is, we are going ahead with the beach. Let's take a look at the beach. Now I think I have taken a lot of the road, shopping area. Now let's move forward. This is close to the beach. I think in 2023 this wasn't there. Now they have erected this Palolem, the arch, which is I think a month or 2 months ago. And these are the coconut trees. Beautiful Palolem beach road. These are all the shopping area here. So this is the parking area. So this is the parking area here, which I guess for a two-wheeler they charge you around 50 rupees.
बोटिंग है ना
No, maybe later. Later. Tomorrow I'm still here for a couple of days. So how much you charge for boating?
how many people ना
Single. Yeah. How much you charge?
1,200
Why so much?
because you are alone
Okay, if I take sharing?
500 per person
Okay. Fine. I'll get back to you. Thank you. So he says the boating is 1,200, but that's pretty high. I already have a couple of them who are offered me something lesser, and if at all I need to look at that. So this is all the parking area. So as I was saying, parking is some 50 rupees they charge, and for the car they charge or 100 rupees. So this is the Palolem main entrance. So, and this is the beautiful sea. This is the Palolem main entrance, the Palolem beach. And this is how you get in. To the beautiful sea, but the problem is I think there's a high tide now. And there you go. कितनी खूबसूरती है, कितना शांत है और काफ़ी अच्छा है. और यही है जो नज़ारा सबको चाहिए. And we have few tourists on the beach. Of course पानी काफ़ी तक हाई टाइड हो रहा है, काफ़ी हाई है टाइड. तो इससे पहले मैं वहाँ तक गया था लास्ट में, तो वहाँ से तो जो है जा नहीं सकते क्योंकि पानी वहाँ तक आ रहा है. तो ये पूरा जो है Palolem का बीच का जो हाई टाइड है, क्वाइट हाई टाइड नाउ. I guess
बोटिंग करेगा ना रिवर पे बैक वाटर
I'll let you know, sir. Backwaters, they have boating also. They have boating also in the backwaters. So let's go there and check it out. Maybe after some time I'll take you over there. But then the water is too high. It's a high tide right at the moment. And let's see. They have a lot of boating options around here. There you see the skiing. They have jet ski. Yeah. There you go. He's going there right there. This is a beautiful Palolem beach. And there, if you look at the corner, that was a sunset point. You know, once I had been there earlier, but now because of high tide, in this season, July, August, September, it's pretty high tide. You can't walk there. So, maybe I think when the tides are low, you can easily reach there, that particular corner. So, this is how it is. This is how Palolem beach looks. And it's a bit sunny now, but I can't say if it's going to rain again. Let's see. We have the water coming up. No, not yet. I don't have a music channel. Okay guys, now we have a downfall over here. So it's raining over here. Let's see good morning and rain. Quite sunny, but then suddenly we have a downpour again. Quite windy. Yes, this is how this is the rain. This is the rain which is happening in Goa now. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining. So it's quite unpredictable weather over here. Can you take a look at this place? This is the sunset. And these are the coconut trees right and off. Yeah. Over here, weather dance. This is the weather, how it is. Raining over here right now. Heavy rain. Suddenly you get sun and then you get downpour. So this is how it is. Just having some prawn material along the seashore. Well, quite nice with the atmosphere. Beautiful day. It's quite nice and sunny. And I think after I come to the restaurant, there are quite a lot of people who have followed me over here. And the prawn manchurian is quite good, quite fresh. The masala papad also is quite good, quite nice to taste. Been trying it after a long time. Let's see. guys, this is masala papad. It's quite famous in Goa. Let's see how it is. Quite nice. Let's try it out.